Hey guys, welcome back with another video. Today what I'm gonna show you how I build a real-time ATM clone. ስለዚህ ማለትም ዛሬ ማሳያችሁ a quick overview of the project that I have made by using the Python የሰራሁትን እንትን ማሳያችሁ. It is a real-time ስላችሁ it have special database that you can store a users that currently create an account on specific ATMs that I just built in. So ማለትም ATM ትንሽ እንትና ATM ማለች user interface ማለች, and then you have a special database. I just built that database by using the, as you can see, there is an ATM DB and ATMDB.db. It is not this one, it's not this one, it is just like this one. It's not በዚህኛው ነው build ያደረግነው. ስለዚህ quick overview ነው ማሳያችሁ. ከዛ if you just want, let me know in the comment section. If you just want even the source code ብትፈልጉ let me just know in the comment section. ማለትም separately ከፈለጋችሁ within the database ማለት within the non database ማለት በሁለቱም አለን ከፈለጋችሁ አንዱን መማር ትችላላችሁ መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ. The database that I used, which is what we call it sqlite. SQL, if you don't know what is the database is, it is the thing that you can just store the things that you can store the information. So if there are two types of the database, as you know, relational and non-relational database. Relational database is like the database that organizes the data into the routing the columns, like the SQL implementation, like MySQLs, PostgreSQL, Oracles, MariaDB, and also so on. There are a lot of MySQL engines that allows you for creating a database by within a specific route and also column. ማለትም ሪሌሽናል ማለት በቴብል ፎርም ማለትም በቴብል ፎርም ቴብል ላይ በምታዩበት ጊዜ ራው አለው ኮሉመን አለው በቴብል ፎርም ቢልድ የሚደረግ ከሆነ ያ ነገርም ተብሎ ይጠራል ሪሌሽናል። እና ሪሌሽናል ዳታቤዝ የምንላቸው ደግሞ የዶክመንት ኦሪየንትድ ዳታቤዝ ፕሮግራምስ ናቸው ሞስት ኦፍ ዘ ታይም። ስለዚህ ኖ ኤስኩኤልስ ናቸው። ኖ ኤስኩኤልስ ላይክ ዳይናሞዲቢ ዳይናሞዲቢ መውሰድ እንችላለን። which is one of the popular የሆነ ማለት ሞንጎዲቢ መውሰድ እንችላለን። አፓቼ ግራስከንዳር I don't know how to pronounce it, but እንደዛ ነገር እና ፋየርቤዝ which is one of the famous platform. It is platform ማለት እንችላለን. It is the built in by the Google እና በጉግል የተሰራ ነው built in by the Google that provide a server side functionality for the most of the time, like hosting, like authentication የምትሰሩ ከሆነ authentication, like login authentication by using your email or other stuff. በተለያዩ ሶሻል ስትሪሞች ተጠቅሞ authentication, database storage, cloud, firebase, cloud storage, ብዙ ነገሮች አሉት. You can just refer to the documentation by going to the I think firebase.googles.com መሰለኝ I think እንደዛ ይመስለኛል. ስለዚህ ይሄንን ካልኳችሁ let me just show you how the project is gonna look like. I have something I'm gonna run the Python, which is gonna be scripting my ATM.py. So it's running. I think it is loading a lot of modules. ብዙ modules ስለተጠቀምኩ I think 12 10 modules ስለተጠቀምኩ ሎድ ያደርጋቸዋል። እነሱ ሎድ እና ዳታቤዙን ከእንደገና ኢኒሻላይዝ ለማድረግ ትንሽ ስለሚፈጅበት ነው። ትንሽ ይሄን ያህልም አይቆይም። as you can see ከታይም የጀመረው the current time is like most of ATM has እንዳላችሁ ብዙዎች ATM እንዳላቸው ከታይም ይጀምራል. Then we're going to see the account, the login, the create account, the about and the exit user interface እናያለን. wait it. So እንደዚህ አይነት ኢንተርፌስ ታያላችሁ. welcome to KINFISH ATM service ይላል. So create account, login, and also exit አለ. So what I'm going to do now, this is a database. A counter የሚለው application as indicated that how many users are currently using this. Now let me just show you how many users are currently using it. So I'm going to use a function or something like counter, which is going to be called using 0, and so def, which is going to be users. It says users, active users, so users ማለት ትችላላችሁ. users, which is going to be users, like I'm actually have to make the globalized ማድረግ አለብኝ counter because it refers before assignments error raise ስለሚያደርግብን ማለት for I that are found inside of the db.fetch. Sorry, the db.fetch. ስለዚህ db.fetch ምን እናደርጋለን? we are gonna counter each time ምን ትሆናለች increment ትሆናለች. so this function is gonna return ምን ያደርጋል? counter return ያደርጋል. so if I just go over and if I just try to print out the current user, the current active users are እንላለን። ሲምፕሊ ማን እንላቸዋለን? በቁጥር ነው። አይ ቲንክ ቁጥር ነው ፊት የሚያደርገው ግልጽ ነው። users function. Then if I just create over here, if I just try to run the Python counter dot py ብለን as you can see the active current user are 14። ስለዚህ ዩዘሮቹን አሳያቸዋለሁ። ዩዘሮቹን ለማወቅ ደግሞ ምን እናደርጋለን? by the way, dot fetch ያልኳት method, if you don't know fetch, there is an ATM DB. As you can see, import ATM DB which I have created for the database. As you can see, there is a class with what we call the database. It has an init method which is going to be self. Every method that are found inside of the class would have to have a self as an argument which refers to the current object. So we are able to connect our database to our database. ስለዚህ DB sqlite our database ማለትም over here mention ያደረግናትን database ምን እያደረግን ነው? ኮኔክት እያደረግን ነው። ስለዚህ ከርሰር ከፈጠርን በኋላ in order for creating table in the what we call in the SQL, you can use a command called create table if not exists ካላደረገ which has a bank info id integer primary key ማለት is the a key that you uniquely define the rows on the database ማለት database ላይ ያሉትን row define ማድረግ integer is a data type ነው። so I think I have bank name እና bank email bank pin bank deposit. so እነዚህ አለ fetch ደግሞ ይችላል። ስለዚህ select everything. as you can see I am selecting every rows from the bank info and also fetch all የምትል ትላለች. so fetch all from the cars ማለት from this, and also I'm just grabbing the row and I'm just simply returning the row. so it is obvious ነው። ስለዚህ have insert delete አለኝ። ብዙ ሜትሮች አሉ። ትንሽ ናቸው ያሉ የማይባሉ ባላንስ እና ስፔሲፊክ አድርጌ ያወጣኋቸው አሉ። በዛም ማግኘት እንችላለን። but more specific ለማድረግ በዚህ ያወጣቻቸው ነው። ስለዚህ in order for the determining the users እንደምናደርገው simple ነው። ስክሪፕት ነው for I that are found inside of the db.fetch ምን እናደርጋለን? we are going to print out the I means that I ብቻ ምን እያደረግን ነው? print out እያደረግን ነው። so as you can see there are 14 ዩዘሮች አሉ። ስለዚህ ይሄ ምን እንዳልኳችሁ this is the primary key that is going to uniquely define our row. ስለዚህ I have the KINFE እና Gmail አለኝ። ይሄ ምንድነው? ፓስወርድ ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ the account ባላንሱ ነው ማለት ከነ ባላንሱ። so እነዚህ ሁሉ within the specific Gmail asset እና ስለዚህ how you can create an account አሳያችኋለሁ እና how real time መሆኑን እንዴት እንደሚሆን አሳያችኋለሁ። so I'm going to this stuff now. I'm going to create one. so I think it is it's loading. I think
Welcome to the KINFISH ATM service account creating page. There are some fields that you should have to fill neatly, because those all are sensitive information. Thank you. Be safe.
so this is the script. This is the text to speech internet conversion የተጠቀምኩት። so እቺን አሁን በምን ኢምፕሊመንት ለማድረግ ነው እየሞከርኩ ያለው? በአማርኛ ኢምፕሊመንት ለማድረግ ማለትም ሞዴል ፈጠሪ ትሬን ለማድረግ እየሞከርኩ ነው by using the machine learning skill. እስቲ የት እንደምንደርስ እናያለን። so enter the user name. ስለዚህ as you can see እዚህ ያሉት ዩዘር ኔሞች አሉን over here። እዚህ ጋር ያሉት ዩዘር ኔም አሁን ለምሳሌ አንደኛ ላይ ያለው ማለት ነው ክንፈ የሚል ዩዘር ኔም አለ። so if I just want to create, let me just minimize it, grab it. as you can see if I just want to create the name within the ክንፈ ምን እንደሚለኝ real time ሆኖ as you can see the name is already taken. try another. if I just try to use Jim, the name is taken. try another. ስለዚህ Jim ክንፈም ተወስዷል ማለት ነው። so that's why real time ነው ያልኳችሁ ለዛ ነው። ስለዚህ what I'm going to create is ምንድነው YouTube ብዬ ልፍጠርና ኢሜል አድሬስ። ስለዚህ ኢሜል አድሬስ ዝም ብላችሁ ራሱ ብትጽፉ አይሰራላችሁ ኢንተር the value ምክንያቱም I have used a regular expression which allows you for the defining your own pattern that you just want to match within a specific data to. ስለዚህ ፓተርናችሁ ዲፋይን የምታደርጉበት ነው ማለት። ስለዚህ in this case what you can just type
invalid email address
ብሎ ፕሮምፕት ያደርጋል። so I should have to use a right email address. ስለዚህ youtube@ which is going to be gmail.com gmail.com ስለዚህ ፒን እየጠየቀኝ ነው ኖት ዳት the ፒን ማስገባው ፒን 18 አስገባለሁ 18 አስገባው አጌን ሲለኝ ሶ ይሄንንም አጌን የምትሏን ከሳታችሁ እንደገና ነው የሚመልሳችሁ that's why ምክንያቱም real time እንትን ነው authentication ያለው so the next step how much money that you just want to deposit initially $10 ብሎ it is creating an account እንትን load ያደርጋል yeah
you have successfully created an account
so as you can see successfully created an account so and user እዚህ ላይ added ይሆናል ማለት ነው so if I just run this one as you can see 15ኛ ላይ ማናገኝ youtube@gmail.com 18 password እና the 10 balance so if I just go login type the username I think youtube yep spelling ትክክል ነኝ 18 በመናገር login to YouTube's account ይላል እንደዚህ አይነት ኢንተርፌስ ታገኛላችሁ እቺ ኮድ ዲቫይስ ከፈንቴል ታሪኩ ነው so በራየራሲ ነው so account status ማየት ይችላልችሁ balance if you can just check out the balance by going over option here በአንድ ኦፕሽን በመሄድ ባላንሱን ቼክ ማድረግ ይችላልችሁ
your current balance is $10
as you can see $10 ነው if I just want to deposit to ነካዋለሁ ስለዚህ simple የሆነ 772 depositing 772
you have successfully deposited $772 in your account
yep ስለዚህ as you can see one ብንሄድ updated የሆነ value ነው ስለዚህ ይሄ obvious ነው
your current balance is $782
so $782 አለን so if I just go over here if I just run this as you can see $782 ነው የሚለው so if I just እዚህ ጋር መጥቼ ደግሞ exit አርግቼ ከእንደገና ማለት ነው ሁለት ነግቼ which is going to be YouTube ገብቼ real time ሆን ለማሳየት ነው YouTube then 18 I think 18 yeah so login to YouTube's account ይለኛል balance option ስንመርጥ
your current balance is $782
so this is the way ስለዚህ in this case ይሄንን ደግሞ ከሃርድዌር ጋር ለማገናኘት ምን መጠቀም ይቻላል Arduino or Raspberry Pi ነው I don't know how to pronounce Raspberry Pi ነው የሚባለው which are most of the time እንደምንጠቀማቸው they are microcontroller or microcontroller kits that are used for the building a digital device option ለመፍጠር ነው provide ያደርጉልናል ማለት ነው they are used for the building the microcontrollers እና ወይም microcontroller ኪቶችን ፕሮዲዩስ አድርገው that can help you for the building the digital device የሚያደርጉልን እነሱ ከሃርድዌር ጋር ከነሱ ማገናኘት ይችላልላችሁ ወይም የተለያዩ እንትኖች መጠቀም ይችላልላችሁ this is a real time database special database so this is the thing that I just want to show you እና እዚህ ጋር አንድ ላሳያችሁ ፈልገው ነገር ኦፕሽን 8 ነው ኦልድ ፓስወርድ አስገባያለኝ 18 then new pin ደግሞ 10 ሲያደርገው setting up a new passcode so at this step it should have to be get updated as you can see 10 updated now so it's a real time ያልኳችሁ ለዚህ ነው so that's all if you just want this source code let me know in the comment section እና ቀጣይ ደግሞ ምን ቢልድ እናደርጋለን ቢልድ እናደርገው we are going to build a portfolio build እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው using HTML CSS ተጠቅመን awesome portfolio I have already developed ያደረኩታል እነሱ እናያለን so and now I just want to give you a quick announcement if you just want to know about the data visualization I have a tutorial on my website you can check out so the tutorial data visualization as well as machine learning ማወቅ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ I have a tutorial on that ስለዚህ ምን አለ ዌብሳይትን ሊንክ in the description box ላይ አስቀምጥላችኋለሁ you can just go check it out ስለዚህ use coupon code KINFISH ሚለውን ተጠቅማችሁ capital letter KINFISH ተጠቅማችሁ 75 ዲስካውንት ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ